This is another question on operational amplifier, and we have to find out this output voltage V0, assuming that the op amp is an ideal one. So first things first, we know that the voltage at the non-inverting input terminal is 0 volt, and so the voltage at the inverting input terminal should also be 0 volt. So the voltage at this node is equal to 0 volt. And it is easy to see that if this node is at 0 volt, the other node is also at 0 volt. Therefore, if we call this current as I2, the current I2 should be equal to 0, because this is written as 0 volt minus of 0 volt by 2 kilo ohms, and so this current is equal to 0 milliamperes. This node being at 0 volt and the other node being at 0 volt is irrelevant when you have a constant current source. Now, because this is a constant current source of 2 milliampere value, therefore, no matter what we do, the current through this branch will always be equal to 2 milliamperes. And therefore, it is easy to note that the current I1, which can be written as I2 plus 2 milliampere, is actually equal to 2 milliampere only, because the current I2 is equal to 0. And therefore we can go ahead with framing the expression in terms of voltage by resistance, and then we can write I1 as V0 minus of 0 volt divided by 2 kilo ohms. So that is current I1, which is equal to this current I2, which is equal to 0, and the other current, which is equal to 2 milliamperes. So V0 minus of 0 by 2 is equal to 2 milliamperes, and from here we find out the value of V0 as 4 volt.